Developing an operations and maintenance (O&M) approach. Facility managers play a crucial role in ensuring that a building's operations and maintenance (O&M) are efficient and aligned with organizational goals. Developing an O&M approach involves several interconnected steps that address both the physical assets and the needs of the occupants. These steps ensure the longevity of assets, compliance with regulations, and the satisfaction of stakeholders. 1. Determine physical assets as an inventory. The first step in developing an O&M approach is creating a comprehensive inventory of physical assets. This includes all equipment, systems, and infrastructure components within the facility, such as HVAC systems, electrical systems, plumbing, and structural elements. The inventory serves as a foundational document for tracking the condition, location, and maintenance history of assets. By understanding what assets exist and their status, facility managers can prioritize maintenance and allocate resources effectively. 2. Determine maintenance and repair cycle. Once the inventory is established, the next step is defining the maintenance and repair cycle for each asset. This involves assessing the manufacturer's recommendations, historical performance data, and industry best practices to establish how often maintenance or repairs should be conducted. For example, certain systems may require monthly inspections, while others may only need annual servicing. This cycle helps prevent unexpected breakdowns and extends the lifespan of assets. 3. Determine maintenance schedule. Based on the maintenance and repair cycles, facility managers develop a maintenance schedule. This schedule outlines specific tasks, frequencies, and timelines for performing maintenance activities. The schedule should balance routine maintenance, preventive measures, and reactive maintenance, addressing issues as they arise. A well-organized maintenance schedule minimizes downtime and ensures that critical systems remain operational at all times. 4. Determine applicable regulations, codes, and standards. Compliance with regulations, codes, and standards is a critical aspect of the O&M approach. Facility managers must identify and adhere to all applicable legal and safety requirements, such as building codes, environmental regulations, and workplace safety standards. This ensures that the facility operates within legal frameworks, avoids penalties, and provides a safe environment for occupants. 5. Determine agreed-upon occupant services and requirements. Finally, facility managers must consider the needs and expectations of occupants. This includes identifying agreed-upon services, such as cleaning, lighting, heating, and security, and ensuring that these services meet established standards. Open communication with occupants helps define their requirements and incorporate them into the O&M plan, fostering a positive experience and increasing satisfaction. Conclusion. Developing an effective O&M approach involves a systematic process that begins with inventorying physical assets and extends to planning maintenance, ensuring regulatory compliance, and addressing occupant needs. By addressing these aspects, facility managers create a robust framework for maintaining operational efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing the overall functionality and satisfaction within the facility. This proactive approach is key to long-term success in facility management.